The distinct and often unpleasant smell of septic systems can be quite bothersome. The distinctive odor usually appears as a warning sign, but it can linger. And addressing the root cause is way more effective than just lighting more candles. Understanding what causes septic odor. Numerous factors can contribute to septic system smell, such as bacteria activity, clogged pipes, poor ventilation, leaks, and infrequent pumping. Effective tips for removing septic odors. Number 1. Keep up with regular maintenance and pumping. Pumping helps eliminate solid buildup, reducing the chances of odor-causing gases escaping. Number 2. Look for leaks and cracks. Notice any cracks in your septic components or wet spots in your yard? Deal with these issues quickly to avoid worsening damage and odors. Number 3. Use products safe for your septic system. Choose septic-friendly products, including toilet paper, cleaners, and laundry detergents. An unbalanced system often leads to unpleasant smells. Number 4. Ensure proper ventilation. A good ventilation system allows gases to harmlessly escape into the air, rather than into your home. Number 5. Clear clogged drains and pipes. Blockages can cause sewage to back up, leading to nasty odors indoors. Number 6. Consider installing odor filters. Waste management can be stinky. Think about installing odor filters or activated carbon filters in your system's vent pipes. Number 7. Keep your septic tank healthy. Promote beneficial bacteria growth in your tank by avoiding harsh chemicals and antibacterials. Number 8. Don't overload the system. Be mindful of your water usage to prevent system overload, especially during heavy rain. Number 9. Try natural odor remedies. You can use simple remedies like baking soda and vinegar down your drains to remove odors. Number 10. Get professional assistance. They'll conduct a complete inspection, pinpoint the issue's root, and suggest suitable solutions. By following these tips, you can enjoy a home free of septic odors. Have questions or need septic repair in Lake County or Central Florida? Call Advanced Septic Services of Florida at 352-242-6100.